In this lecture, I'll be showing you how to research for products using the manual method. I'll be referencing the PDF file for this section of the course, so open it if you want to follow along. If you're just starting out or on a limited budget, you can use the manual method for sourcing products. It's a great way to start. Running an FBA wholesale business on a limited budget is very doable. If you have less than about $1,000, then you might want to start here. I'll show you how to find profitable wholesale products without spending lots of money on the research software and services used by most experienced wholesale merchants. Your research will take longer, but you'll build confidence with your knowledge obtained by using these more manual methods. At this stage, you should be preserving as much money as possible to purchase inventory later on. All we'll need for this method is the M1.2 website, the browser extensions, a free sales estimator tool, and a few hours to invest. So let's get to it. Surf on over to the M1.2 webpage and click on the gray tab on the left side of the search bar. Scroll down to pick a category in which you're already approved to sell. Since the home and kitchen category does not require approval, let's select it for our example as we scroll down the list of categories. Next, type an open and closed bracket into the search bar and hit enter. What's returned in the browser is called the results page. Using the open and close brackets in the search box will return all the products available in this category. The reason for this goofy search is simply to create a huge list of products to throw into our funnel. As you can see, there are more than 60 million products in home and kitchen. This will list the first 400 pages of what Amazon believes to be the most relevant products in the home and kitchen category. Our first filter will be for reviews and sales price. So go down the left side of the results page and set the average customer review filter to 4 stars and up, and then set the price filter from $15 to $50 and hit go. These two settings put us in a sweet spot for products suitable for wholesale sourcing. The results now show over 300,000 products instead of 60 million, but don't worry, we're not going to look at all of them. On the results page, notice the Amazon bestseller rank, or BSR, for each product listing being reported by our extension which we installed earlier. And notice that our average customer review and price filters are working just fine. As a general rule, these products will be ordered from best to worst as far as sales velocity, or BSR. We'll be looking for BSRs that sell well with minimal competition, so the first pages will probably be too competitive. The further we go into the catalog, the higher the BSRs will be. Now let's start funneling down. Let's say we want to find products that sell 10 to 20 units per day or 300 to 600 per month. The good folks at Jungle Scout have created the free Jungle Scout Estimator tool, which will give us this information. Before we go there, I want to give you an important note. Each Amazon category has its own set of BSR numbers, so a BSR in home and kitchen is completely different from a BSR in sports and outdoors. Also, BSRs change constantly, so the numbers shown may have to be adjusted when you're running this exercise for yourself. If you go to page 6 in your PDF file, you'll find a link to the estimator tool. Go ahead and click on that link and let's open it up. Since we're interested in the home and kitchen category, let's click on it. I'll enter a BSR of 5,000. You can see that a BSR of 5,000 has about 600 sales per month, or 20 per day. So we're getting pretty close to our target BSR for this category. Remember, we said 10 to 20 units per day. Also notice that the higher the BSR, the lower the sales volume. So if we play around with this BSR number a little bit, for example, I'll put in 15,000. And that estimates about 300 sales per month. So now we know to be on the lookout for products with a BSR between 5,000 and 15,000 within the 400 pages of these search results. So this is our target BSR range. In the next lecture, we'll learn how to quickly find products in our target BSR range using these search results.